say hi to Ghana.
Thank you.
Live video coverage.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, your favorite travel vlogger Ifechukwu Eziefule, and of course travel consultant. To be fair, I know what's going through your minds, my subscribers, those who have been following me for a couple of years now. I haven't been posting, and there has been some reasons for that. Honestly, I won't like to delve into that, but I promise you I'm bringing you something special. If you're my subscriber, it's good to have you back. I'm happy that you're actually watching my video, and I'm live from Accra, Ghana. What brought me here is work, business. I would like to call it the business tourist kind of travel. I came in here to do travel educational fair for people that are interested in relocating abroad. And as we would have seen, and as most of us would agree, that's like the fever now. A host of Nigerians and Africans, sub-Saharan Africans are interested in relocating abroad. So I decided that, you know what? It's not just about posting travel vlog series. Maybe I could put in some educational context that some of you might be interested in, creating videos that will let you know how you want to tailor your applications to relocate abroad. If you want to travel through the study route, which is my area of expertise, then I can create a lot of content to educate and sensitize you on what you could do, step-by-step processes to achieve that. There are a lot of countries on our portfolio we do study abroad to, and I'll be listing them. There's the US, the Canada, of course, that's number one, where a host of, if not everybody's mind is fixated on. But I let you know that there are also very beautiful destinations that you could consider that I'm going to possibly create videos for you if you let me know in the comment section down there if you're interested in me doing videos to this country. So let's list them. Let's say US, Canada, Netherlands, Ireland, Sweden, United Kingdom, Finland, Spain, Denmark, Norway, Germany, Malta, and a host of other very beautiful countries that I think that will captivate your interest. You don't need to just fixate your mind on Canada. So if you've been following me on Instagram, Ifex Michael, obviously, you'll see that I've been participating in a whole lot of fairs that we have actually hosted. I've been a keynote speaker in those fairs in Abuja, Port Harcourt, Lagos, and now live in Accra, because we found that it's not just restricted to Nigeria. The host of other African nations are interested in relocating abroad as well through this study route. So let me know in the comment section if this is something you'll be interested in seeing more of. If you think that it would be beautiful if I could create more content for you to learn how to run your applications to these destination countries that I've mentioned, I'll be looking and be checking out for those comments. Further on that, of course, I like to call my travel the business tourist kind of travel. I'm here for business, but of course, we're going to add a little bit of pleasure into it. I'm not going to tour the city of Accra as much as I would love to, but I'll touch a couple of places. You don't want to go anywhere, stay tuned, watch out for the videos. It's a vlog series. You will see some destinations here that you could visit. Accra is just 45 minutes away from Lagos. So if you're in Lagos, Nigeria, you can buy your flight ticket, fly in, have a fun-filled weekend, and go home. You know, our life don't have to be restricted in just the confines of our home. Try to check out other beautiful destinations that exist within Africa and West Africa. And of course, as ECOWAS, there are no visas required. Landing here was seamless. From the immigration checkpoint, I stamped my passport, I moved in, pick up my luggage, and I'm in. The same thing applies to Abidjan in Côte d'Ivoire if you want to go, Dakar, Senegal, which are also very beautiful destinations I'm going to be bringing to you guys to let you know that you don't need to think too much about the visa because we are covered by the ECOWAS passport. So you can transverse all these beautiful countries, Lome, Togo, Cotonou, Benin Republic, the Gambia, a whole lot of them, Sierra Leone, beautiful, beautiful destinations that you could visit easily and at affordable rates. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So guys, just a mini vlog of how the entire travel had gone from Lagos Airport. As you could see here, we just finished our check-in, about to board our flights, then fly to Ghana, 45 to 50 minutes flight, arrive. The whole process, of course, is going to be covered in the mini vlog. So stay tuned and of course don't go anywhere.
Deck. Again, please have your phones completely turned off. Thank you.
Welcome to Ghana. Say hi to Ghana. At least we didn't have to do visas. Visas to travel. Yeah, that's the good thing. Feels like rain wants to fall. So we are here at home for 4 days. Of course, that's it. Room is good, but it's not good. We obviously need to change some new location and look for something that is going to be better. But from what we saw online, it was actually very decent and look attractive. Okay, this is much better than that other pro. Yeah, I think I prefer here. I can get a better set. Yeah, ground floor. It's on the last floor. There's no pool.
No pool.
I thought
A little aqua bus. Well, yeah, quarrying in the bar with some banku. Some banku chips.
What's that this thing that they said? What they call their suya or something?
Kebab,
Kebab, yeah.
beef kebab
The
and
one that they
sausage
gave to
kebab.
this girl, Cardi B.
Kebab, yeah.
Oh, please, we're waiting for Shatta Wale. Come and receive us.
Wale
Your
to
guests have
collect.
arrived. Your guests have arrived.
All the way from we flew all the way from Abuja, New Year. So Ghana, we're here for you. Let's do it.
It's a lovely neighborhood. I love the houses and everything. So come with me. Let's check the inside of the apartment and see if it actually meets our expectations. So guys, of course, the next day we drove off, had our seminar and our fair, educating our wonderful people of Accra and Ghana, letting them know how they could actually pursue their career in terms of study abroad and destination countries that they could easily choose. Of course, I would love to see if any of them are watching my video. It would be nice for you to drop a comment if you attended our fair. It was a little one because it was our first experience trying to sensitize them. We also got the opportunity to also let them know how hospitable we are in Nigeria by offering them lunch. Every single person who had attended had the opportunity to go for a lunch. So it was a beautiful experience. I'm sure those who went home with something. So I and my team, we had a very good time with them, got to communicate and build some relationships, establish relationships, of course. And I look forward to getting some feedback from those who
Life in Accra, Ghana.
Yeah.
The next day.
So guys, it's a new day and we want to use this opportunity to go for some sightseeing and tour around the city. Probably check out a beach. I don't know what they have on offer, but yeah, due to time constraints we won't be able to tour properly. Well, let's make the most of what we can.
Video coverage, live video coverage.
So I'm like, why are you leaving something that will not contribute to his life?
So, what's the name of the beach you're going to? Man, you're the one that's supposed to lead you. You don't know? How do you mean? So you're just going to go to any particular private beach?
We could go to La Palm.
La Palm.
It's not far.
Okay, so we're going to La Palm.
I know there's Labadi, there's La Palm.
Please, not Labadi.
And we have
Yes, Coco Bite.
another Kukubite is
It's
far.
far.
Like this, and when
We want private. We want a private beach.
La Palm is private.
Don't buy the beach.
you have La Palm, you have Labadi, you have other one also. They are all
On the same time. La Palm.
Yeah.
From this entrance, yes, you go from that entrance.
This place down the other side.
Why do we have a white man in military clothing?
They are mixed now. Some of them. Robinson is white. Very foreign.
Interesting things. And we are live. Obrigado.
Hi Sonia. Say hi to the camera. Hi Ife. Welcome to Labadi.
And here's the secretary man. Thank you. Welcome to the body.
The travel doctor himself. All the way from Canada. From teacher
I didn't get my swimming from. Hey, this is so nice.
Where are we at?
Yeah, we have. We won't have been able to swim anyways. We have very. What's that? You're not recording.
But yeah, it's cool. Like it started from here, so
We just turn around. I think I will recommend
so now Mr. J, you understand what I was talking about? The other side.
Okay, the other side and the other
Yes, the other side is public. Yes.
I don't have a question.
From here, you'll be able to see what they are doing in the other side. In the day, the structures are a bit mixed. Like it's giving old and new vibes.